Okay. All 8th grade students at the school answered yes or no to the following survey questions. Do you own a tablet? Yes or no. And do you have a video game console? Yes or no. So, the totals for the tablet were yes, 125, no, 183, and then the totals for the video game console were yes, no. So, of the 153 students who do not own a video game console, 43 of them. Alright, so this is very important information. So I'm going to try and keep color coding this. Do not own a tablet. So, how can we figure this out? Complete the two-way frequency table. So this is our first clue, and this is where we're going to start. So this 43 is going to go in here. Because they do not own a tablet. It's both, these are both nots. Do not, do not. So there's your 43. So you're going to have to use this to continue to solve this. So then I would do 153 minus 153 minus 43. 0, 1, 1. Now where does this number go? Out of the 153 students do not own a video game console. This is going to go in here. You're going to have to work backwards and try and... So now I could get my total here, though, by adding this up. And just keep going one by one. So add these two things to get your total. How many students? So we know 55 own a video game console. And how many own a tablet? And one thing here, look here. So this number does not have a video game. Does not have, oh, I don't want to do it in that color. Does not have a video game console. So 153. And if you do this math, this is one, I can't fit it in there, but 153 goes in there, which makes sense. That's what the numbers say. It adds up. We know we did this right. So, how many have a video game console? Oh, that makes that color. No, let's not do that. Let's try blue here. Alright, so how many have a video game console? Yes. Alright, so now we're going to start filling this in like this. So try and watch how I color code this. So, don't own a tablet. No, that's green. That's going to go in there. And the last color I'll use is like this pinkish color here. Own a tablet? Yes. That's the total there. So try and figure that out and go backwards from here. This is tricky. It takes a lot of steps. Alright, the population of North Carolina is in 2010 is 0.55 million people. One of my highlighter. North Carolina has a yearly, so that's 0.5 million people. 0.55 mil. has a yearly population growth of 0.25 million people. The population of South Carolina, choose a different color, is 0.73 million people. And South Carolina has a 0.185 million people. Enter the minimum number of years. So South Carolina is 0.73 mil, and it has a population growth of 0.185. So, how do we do this? We want to make an equation that will set them equally to each other. So 0.55 plus, now x equals the years, which is connected to the population growth. So 5x equal 0.73 plus 0.0, just using your numbers, 0.185x. So solve this, and you'll have your answer. Just setting those two equal to each other. Alright, consider the statements about properties of two lines in their intersection. Tell if they are true or false. Give a brief explanation why. Two lines that have the same slope and different y-intercepts intersect at exactly one point. Well, again, if you don't know, try this. Graph it. Try it. And here's an example you could try. Y equals 2x plus 1. And my second line, so same slope, y equals 2x plus 3. Different y-intercepts. Two lines with different slopes never intersect. Again, try it. Two lines that have the same y-intercept are always the same line. Your key word there is always. Is that true? Try these. Lines with the same slope and a different y-intercept never intersect. So try and prove these. Alright, so I'll pause here. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps with all the problems that you have.